You work hard to keep your floor clean on the surface and shouldn't have to worry about mold or mildew on your floor. With Engage Genesis with ISOCORE Technology from Metroflor, you need not worry. Engage Genesis floors are protected on the surface by FX3 Surface Protectant infused with UltraFresh to defend against odors and stains caused by mold and mildew. But we take it a step further. Engage Genesis floors incorporate an attached pad for sound absorption and added comfort that is also infused with UltraFresh to defend against mold and mildew on the underside of the floor where you don't see it. Don't take our word for it though. We put Engage Genesis to the test against the leading WPC competitor's cork-backed product. Under laboratory conditions, we submitted them to a controlled environment conducive to mold growth using the test method ASTM G21. After 28 days, 3 varieties of mold grew on the cork pad of the leading competitor product, while Engage Genesis remained mold-free. With UltraFresh on duty, you can rest assured knowing that your Engage Genesis floor is protected. Mold defense, only from Engage Genesis with ISOCORE Technology. Better from the bottom up. View the entire Engage Genesis product line at metroflorusa.com.